Hello friends, myself Adi Mahajan presenting my video on beta gamma function. Let us evaluate integral from 0 to infinity fourth root of x into e raised to x dx. To evaluate this integral, we take the help of definition of gamma function. We know that gamma n is equals to integral from 0 to infinity e raised to minus x sum x raised to n minus 1 dx. Therefore, this integral is with the same limit 0 to infinity. We need a term of e raised to minus x. Here we have e raised to root x. Therefore, we put root x as minus t. Squaring, we get x is equal to minus t whole square, that is t square. Differentiating it with respect to x, we get 2t dt. And as we are using substitution, we find out the new limits. When x is 0, we get t is equals to 0. And when x is infinity, we get t as infinity. Therefore, that integral becomes, if we call that as I, suppose it is integration from 0 to infinity, fourth root of x and e raised to root x dx. If we call this as equation 1, substituting this substitution and the new limits, therefore it is 0 to infinity, fourth root of x, x is t square and its fourth root 1 by 4, e raised to root x, e raised to minus t, and the value of dx is 2t dt. It is equals to 2 we can take outside, integral from 0 to infinity e raised to minus t, and this is t raised to 1 by 2, 2 by 4, means it is 1 by 2, and this one more t plus 1. It is 2 times integral from 0 to infinity e raised to minus t, t raised to 1 by 2 plus 1. Addition of this 2 is 3 by 2. dt. Comparing this with the definition, we have the limit 0 to infinity. Yes, we have the same limit. Some e raised to minus x, here we have e raised to minus t, and some x raised to n minus 1. Here we have t raised to 3 by 2. Therefore, rewrite that 3 by 2 by adding 1 and subtracting 1. And therefore, it becomes 2 times e raised to minus x, x raised to some n minus 1, its integration between 0 to infinity, that is nothing but gamma of n. Therefore, it is gamma of 3 by 2 plus 1. We know the result, gamma of n plus 1 is n gamma n. Therefore, it is equals to it is 2 by 2, 2, gamma n plus 1 is n gamma n, the value of n is here 3 by 2, gamma of 3 by 2, it is equals to, 2 to get cancelled, we get 3 times, gamma 3 by 2 we can write as in the form of n plus 1, therefore it is 1 by 2 plus 1. Already I have discussed it in my first video of gamma function. Then gamma n plus 1, when n is not positive integer, its value is n gamma n. Therefore, it is 3, 1 by 2 gamma 1 by 2, and therefore it is 3 by 2. The value of gamma 1 by 2, we know the value of gamma 1 by 2 as root pi, and therefore we get into root pi as the answer, or the value of that definite integral obtained by applying the definition of a gamma function, means converting that integral in terms of gamma function by the substitution root x is equal to minus t, thereby converting in the form of gamma definition, and then applying that definition we get the value as 3 by 2 into root pi. One more I will discuss in my next video. If you like my video, please share it, as well as subscribe to my channel to receive notification for my new videos. For that, you have to press the bell icon. Thank you.